Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I have an amazing and unique tutorials for you. And guys, in this video today I will be showing you how you can get a trending hashtag, how you can get most powerful hashtag for your Instagram account. With these hashtags you can be able to get more Instagram views, more Instagram likes, and more Instagram followers today. So guys, please, I just want you to watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video so that you won't miss any bit of this video on how you can be able to get more views and more subscribers, on more followers on your Instagram using this amazing and unique AI hashtags application and then website. So please, without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing today, here we have to open our uh, browser. Google Chrome is recommended today on this particular tree. Google Chrome is recommended, though you can be able to use any application apart from, or you can be able to use any browser apart from Opera Mini. But please, I want to strongly recommend you that you use Google Chrome today on this particular trick. So guys, here once you open your browser like this, here you have to click on this search bar here. The first website I will be showing you today, it is an amazing and unique website. And guys, the name of this website I will be showing you today is Tagsfinder. Tagsfinder, you just have to search on Google Tagsfinder. And guys, under Tagsfinder, there are many websites under Tagsfinder. So what we're going to be doing here, this is the website we're going to be using today. Here we have to click on this first website, tagsfinder.com. Tagsfinder.com. Then with this website I will show you how you can be able to generate a powerful hashtags for yourself to be able to get more Instagram followers and more Instagram views for yourself, and then even more likes. So but guys, please, before I show you how to use this particular site, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. All right guys, as you can see here, this is the interface. It says in the field below, enter up to 10 hashtags. We will find the next hashtag for you. Now what we're going to be doing, first of all, in this particular interface here, we have specified parameters for searching hashtags. You have to make sure that all these are being enabled. You have to make sure that you enable all these. So guys, here for instance, but you have to disable this if you like, because you see this is not, and depending on what you are uploading on your Instagram or the post you're gonna make at that particular time. So guys, here we have to enable this. We enable this, then we enable this. Then the next thing we're going to be doing here, you can be able to change your country. For instance, if you are from India, if you're watching this video from India, for instance, you can be able to change it to India depending on the country you are. So I will choose a country here. For instance, for the sake of this video, I will be using a popular country. Okay, I will be using Pakistan. Okay, I will be using Pakistan. So guys, we have changed our country to Pakistan, and then I will search. Please, depending on the country you are, please, we are in Nigeria. What will happen? Let me just select Nigeria because we are in Nigeria. So it's very important that you choose in the country, depending on the country you are. If you are from Nigeria, you choose Nigeria. If you are watching from USA, then you choose USA. And then in this search bar here, you can be able to search for any keyword. For instance, funny. Then you click on search here. You click on so guys, here we have some recommended hashtags, and then we have hashtags for copying. You can be able to click here in order to copy. For instance, you just click on this copy, then you click on OK, so you can be able to copy it at any time. So these are some of the hashtags that you can be able to use, popular hashtags, powerful hashtags that you can be able to use. So guys, the second website I will be showing you, and the name of this website is all hash tags all hashtags. So you click on next and enter. So under all hashtags, there are many websites. So we're going to be using the first one today for the sake of this video. So this is the website we're going to be using, allhashtags.com. So here we have this website. So in this website, again, please, before I show you this one too, please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button and like this video also. All right guys, here we have, hi, what are you searching for? Generate easy and fast the best hashtag for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Google and the rest. So insert a word to generate. So in this interface here we have top, we have random, and then we have live. Now depending, if you want to generate hashtag for a live stream, you can be able to get it from here. If it is random, you can be able to get from random. So you can be able to select any of these. For instance, I want to select top. So I click on this top like this. So you click on this box, and then we have select. So for instance, here we have to use love as our keyword. Then you click on this generate down below. So we click on this generate, and we have to wait. Then after you click on generate, you have to scroll down below in order to get your results. So guys, these are some of the hashtags we have. You can be able to copy hashtags, you can be able to copy them, and once you copy them, you can be able to place them on your Instagram, Facebook, and all social medias that has to use hashtags. So please, if you found this video to be helpful, I'll be bringing more tricks on how you can be able to get trending hashtags for yourself on all social media. If you have any question, drop your comment on the comment box. We are ever ready to reply to you. And please, if you found this video to be helpful, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.